Hello and welcome to our channel Tomokni Preparation for Government Jobs. Friends, today we are going to solve another paper conducted by RRB Ranchi, and this is the part 1. So let's start. The first problem is, in an examination 65% of the students passed in civics and 60% in history. 40% passed in both the subjects. If 90% students failed in history and civics both, what is the total number of students? First of all, we shall find the percentage of students who at least passed in one of the subjects, and which will be given by 65 plus 60 minus 40%, which is equal to 85%. So this is the percentage of students who passed at least in one subject. Now the percentage of students who failed in both the subjects is 100 minus 85%, which is equal to 15%. So that 15% is actually equivalent to the 90 students. So the total number of students will be 90 by 15%, which is equal to 90 into 100 by 15. On cancellation we get 6. 6 into 100 is 600. So the total number of students is 600. That is, option A is the right answer. Question number 2. Two trains from Patna to Ranchi run at 6 pm and 6:30 pm, and their speeds are 60 km per hour and 75 km per hour respectively. After how many kilometers from Patna will both the trains meet? Let us assume after x kilometer from Patna they will meet. Now the first train, which left Patna at 6 pm with speed 60 km per hour, will take x by 60 hour to cover x kilometer of distance. Similarly, the second train, which left Patna at 6:30 pm with 75 km per hour speed, will take x by 75 hour to cover that distance. Now, since the first train left Patna at 6 pm and the second train at 6:30 pm, so the difference between these two times will be equal to that half an hour, that is 30 minutes. So from here we get the LCM is 300. So 5x minus 4x will be equal to 1 by 2. This gives x equal to 150. So after 150 kilometer they will meet. That is, option B is the right answer. Question number 3. The length of a rectangle is increased by 40% and its breadth decreased by 30%. The change in the area of the rectangle is. Okay, we shall use the famous formula x plus y plus xy by 100% for the net change. Here the length is increased by 40%. So 40, and the breadth is decreased. So we shall take negative 30, that is minus 30 minus 40 into 30 by 100%. So this will give us the net change. So this will be equal to 10 minus 12%, which is equal to minus 2%. So the change will be 2%, and because of this negative sign it will decrease. So the area of the rectangle is decreased by 2%. That is, option D is the right answer. Question number 4. The length of a plot of a land is 4 times its breadth. A playground measuring 1200 meters square occupies one third of the total area of the plot. What is the length of the plot in meter? Okay, first of all, the playground measuring 1200 meters occupies the one third of the total area of the plot. That means the plot is 3 times the area of the playground. So the area of the plot will be 3 into 1200 meter square, that is 3600 meter square. Now the length of the plot is 4 times the breadth. If we take the breadth as x, then the length will be 4x, and the area of the land or plot will be 4x into x, and which will be equal to 3600. So from here we get 4x squared equal to 3600, which gives x squared is equal to 900, which gives x equal to 30. So the breadth is 30, therefore the length will be 4 into the breadth, that is 4 into 30 meter, which is equal to 120 meter. So option D is the right answer. Question number 5. In a joint family, the average age of grandparents is 67 years. Average age of parents is 35 years, and that of the 3 grandchildren is 6 years. What is the average age of the family? Okay, first of all, let us find the number of members of the family. From the grandparents we get 2, from the parents we get 2 members and 3 grandchildren. So the total member will be 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 7. Now the total age of the family will be 2 into 67 plus 2 into 35 plus 3 into 6. This will be divided by the total number of member, which is 7, and this calculation will give the average age of the family. So it will be equal to 134 plus 70 plus 18 by 7, which is equal to 222 by 7, which will be equal to 31 and 5 by 7 years. So option B is the right answer. Question number 6. A train completes the distance between P and Q stations in 48 minutes. If its speed is increased by 5 km per hour, then it will complete the same distance in 45 minutes. What was the initial speed of the train in km per hour? Okay, let us assume the initial speed was x km per hour. Then in the second case the speed will be x plus 5 km per hour. In the first case, the train covers the distance between P and Q in 48 minutes. So the distance will be equal to speed into time, which is 48 minutes, that is 48 by 60 hour. And in the second case, the distance will be x plus 5 into 45 minutes, that is 45 by 60 hour. Since the distance between P and Q remains same, so these two will be equal, from where we get 48x equal to 45x plus 5 into 45. From here we get 3x equal to 5 into 45. This gives x equal to 5 into 15, 75. So the initial speed of the train will be 75 km per hour. That is option B is the right answer. Question number 7. A 270-meter long train is running at the speed of 25 km per hour. In what time will it cross a man coming from the opposite direction at the speed of 2 km per hour? Okay. In this case, the relative speed will be 25 plus 2 km per hour, which is 27 into 5 by 18 meter per second, that is 15 by 2 meter per second. So with this relative speed, the train will cross the man, that is the train will cross its own length with this speed. So the time taken will be equal to distance by speed. So this will be equal to 36. So the train will take 36 seconds to cross the man. That is option A is the right answer. Question number 8. The ratio of the area of a square of side A unit and an equilateral triangle of side A unit is. Okay. We know the area of a square is actually side square, that is A square, is to the area of an equilateral triangle of side A is root 3 by 4 A square. So this will give the required ratio. So this will be equal to 4 is to root 3. That is option A is the right answer. Question number 9. Two trains are running on parallel lines at the speed of 50 km per hour and 30 km per hour respectively in the same direction. The faster train crosses a man sitting in the slower train in 18 seconds. The length of the faster train is. Since the two trains are moving in the same direction, the relative speed will be 50 minus 30 km per hour, which is actually 20 into 5 by 18 meter per second, which is equal to 50 by 9 meter per second. Now with this speed, the faster train will cross the man in 18 seconds. The faster train will actually cover its own length in 18 seconds with this speed. So the length will be speed into time. So it will be equal to 100 meters. That is the length of the faster train is actually 100 meters. So option B is the right answer. Question number 10. When 1 is added to numerator and denominator both of a fraction, it becomes 4. When 1 is subtracted from numerator and denominator both, it becomes 7. The numerator of the original fraction is. Okay. If we assume the fraction as x by y with y is not equal to 0, then in the first case x plus 1 by y plus 1 will be equal to 4, which will give us x plus 1 equal to 4y plus 4, and this will give x minus 3 by 4 will be equal to y. In the second case, 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, and which gives 7. So x minus 1 by y minus 1 will be equal to 7, and this gives x minus 1 will be equal to 7y minus 7, and this will give x plus 6 by 7 is y. and this will give x plus 6 by 7 equal to y means x minus 3 by 4, which gives 7x minus 21 equal to 4x plus 24. So this gives 3x equal to 45, which gives x equal to 15. So the numerator of the original fraction is actually 15, that is option D is the right answer. So friends, if you think this video will help you in your upcoming exams, then please like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video among friends. And to get such more videos, please press the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.